Hi friends, welcome. We'll learn about Sizegrip. Using this wizard, we can adjust the height, width or both. We can adjust it in our window. So before we move to our script, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding new tutorials, and we are frequently doing that. Let's start the script. We'll start from here. This is our basic Tkinter window. We are importing Tkinter. Then our root window is my_w. Then width and height we are setting, and title and main loop to hold our window. Now Sizegrip is a part of the TTK, so we have to import TTK. So for that I am writing here from Tkinter import TTK. So now it is available now. This is a blank window. Let's just see how this looks. So let me run this. Here it is. So this is our blank window. First we'll declare a higher font size. So font 1 I am saying equal to, now a list I am preparing. This is font family. You can use anything. I am giving 22 my font size, and style is normal. You can bold, italic, anything you can do. Now this font I will be using by placing a label also. So I am using a label first, lb1 tk label my_w, my parent window, and some text I will write it, because the window we should fill with some text. So the label will add that Sizegrip to resizing for resizing window, for resizing the window. So this message will come on our window. Let me just put a font is whatever we have declared above font 1. So a higher size font we are putting, and then slightly height we are giving height equal to 3. Now after this, once we are given, let's give a bigger prominent background. So we are giving a background is yellow. Now let's place it on in our grid. So it's a grid layout we are first trying, then we'll go for pack and then place. So lb1.grid, now where it will be. So row equal to 1 and column equal to 1. Slightly pad x we are giving, so it's not flushing with the left edge. So pad x 20, pad y equal to also 20. Now our grid is placed. Let's just see up to this point how this looks. Row pad, what is sorry, here I missed a R here. So let me save this and run one. So here it is. This is our window. To this we'll add our Sizegrip. So equal to ttk dot Sizegrip. So Sizegrip I have given my_w, the parent window. This is where now we'll place it on a grid. So Sizegrip, so dot grid, row equal to 2, because next row, because below the label we will be placing it. So row equal to 2, column, same column we'll use it. So column 1. Now let's see where this grip is appearing. Now let me just give a break here. Fine. Let's just run this and see. Yeah, here you can see the grip is here. I can use this, but this is not where the position is. Let's understand how to precisely position this. Different areas we can position this. You can see here. Or before that, let me just add a style to it, so it will be visible more prominently. So for that purpose, let me just add a s equal to ttk dot style. Now here I will configure it s dot configure. Now what I am configuring is my Sizegrip. This is how I will be doing. This S should be uppercase. Sizegrip, because it is TTK, part of the TTK. Similarly, buttons, everything, all widgets in the TTK we can do it. So it supports. Now for this I am giving background. Background equal to, let me give red, whatever color you want you can give it. Now fine, let's just see this. So how this yeah, you can see this now. Our Sizegrip is prominently visible. It is red in color. Let's close this and understand the positioning of in a grid layout. Now let me just put it as sticky. So it's a grid layout. Sticky equal to SE, southeast. So I want that Sizegrip should come bottom and right Fine. Let's just say within that row column whatever I have given. You see it has helped me. Now it has come to, because the up to available space it has come here, but I should place it here. Okay, now let us understand whatever the other options, east, west, north, south, all those things I can do it. So let me just close this. Let's say west. I'll put it in the west side. So if I'll run this, you can see it is here. I can still operate that. So similarly, east I can do, we have seen that, south. So it will be at the, let's just see that where it is, here it is. So I can operate it from here like that. There are 4 different combinations and directions and combinations. Center also I can use it. This will give you the guidance. And let's just see, that means we have understood this only is not enough. So what we will do, we'll put it in southeast. Within that row and column boundary it will align there. But we have to, suppose you want it at the bottom right of it, then we have to use configure the row, because it's a grid layout. This part will vary on what layout you are using. So let me just come out here. I will say here my underscore w dot row config. Row configure, here what I am doing, 1. I am giving a weight. See, I have 2 rows here, weight equal to 1. The second row I am giving 4, the weight. Row configure 1. Second row, I am just taking this, row configure 2. Second row. Then it is weight is 1. But I have a column also. Within the first column, you can see column 1 is my label. Here it is. Column 1 is my label. And column 2, in the same column, below the second row, I have the size grip. So what I am going to do is, let me just give some space here. Okay, style is here. Let me cut it and put it here. So it will be fine. Now, I will do my underscore w column configure. Now I have a 1 column and giving full strength, means I am telling that you expand it till the full space is available. Weight equal to 1. So this full tutorial is there on row configure and column configure. You can see that one. I will leave the link. So now let's see where this is appearing. You can see it exactly appears where its intention is. So if your application requires it to place it some other way, you can try this combination, row configure, column configure, and this is a part of a grid option. So you can see east, west, north, south, like that angle you can use it. South and east. So it has come to this end. Let's just see where it will be if I will say west. Sorry, previous window I must close it. Let's run and see. Here you see, now see what's the location. I have placed it here. I can resize it. Now let's understand the pack. So pack layout will be using. So I'll be removing this label. This one I am removing, and style I am keeping. Size grip I am keeping. So row configure, column configure, this we are removing. You can try experiment here what in the grid thing, weight by giving different weight. What it discusses is one experiment, but you can try other things and see where it is aligning. Now let me just close this. So in this we'll try now what by giving a pack layout. So for that I am just giving as leaving it here. So size grip. Now this size grip dot pack, where I am placing. Side, which side it should take? Let's take left. And anchor, where it should anchor? Okay, let's say anchor is south or S. Fine, we got this one. Let's save this, run and see how this is coming. Here it is. You just see side is left and it is anchored here. So here it has come. Now let's just close this. So we'll take it to right. Here it is, it has come here. Now by keeping it at center also, right center, let's see how this comes. Here it is, now it is here, center it I have to place, not place the south. So this combination will tell you right, left, bottom also I can say. Let's see where it is going. Here you can see, bottom I am thinking. And now bring it here by using bottom also. button also. So let me put E here. Saved it, running. Here you see, now I have placed it in here. Now let's go for other layout. Now let's use place layout. So what you are going to do is we will bring our label also. So whatever earlier we have written, we have thing. So this is in the place we have using x equal to 20. This is x, y coordinate from the top where it has come. Now this size grip, when you are writing it, this is now it will pack, will remove, and this again will say size grip dot place, because it's a place layout. So x equal to 530, because it is directly we are point the coordinates we are giving, and y equal to 220. You may ask me how I got these values. This is nothing but because this width is 550 40. You can keep on experimenting and add that. If you let's just see how this looks. Everything is fine. Configure. Okay. Let's just see. We have used place layout here. See this where it is. So this is how this you can place it. Now let me just change a bit. Here we are using absolute positioning. So so our size grip is remaining at that particular position. Let's just see it once again. So when I am reducing it, you can see this, or increasing it, it is staying there because we have used. Now what you will do instead of that, we will say relative x. Let's give 0.94. Sorry. 0. Let me give 0. Y is again 0.95. We can experiment this and slightly increase or decrease to adjust the one. So sorry, something mistake I did here. I have to give relative y. Let me close this, run it again. So here it is. We can more precisely position this. So what you can see is this will increase this one, so 95, and this will reduce it. So it will be going little bit up. Let's just see is where it is. Here it is. Suppose for the right and up we want. Right means we will make it 6, and this will make it 9.93. So let's just now it will move up and right direction. So here it is. It is more or less it is better. If you want more further, you can try this. So this is how. But one more thing here, we can Windows one property we can control. If you want to stop the resizing, then this won't work. So let's just add those two and we'll see how this behaves. So my_w, I am just adding a resizable here. 0 high width, and I'm mentioning this false means both width and height. So I am saying width equal to 0 and height equal to 0. So it will be true or false. Now let's see what happens here now. So once I do that, I can't resize this. I am trying it, but I am unable to resize this because this particular line prevents both. It is width 0, height, or 0 0, both are 0. So it is. Now let me just allow width only and height I will keep. So width I am making it 1. So let's just save this and run once. Here it is. So now you see width I am able to do it, but I can't do anything to the height. Height it won't allow. Reverse also I can do it. Width 0, height is 1. So I can do that. See, height I am able to do, but width it won't allow me. Now say both I am making it 1 1. So both the things, that is the default value anyway. I need not write it also. Let's just see that. So now everything, height and width, whatever I want, I can resize it also. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any doubts, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.